How to sign up as a private hire driver on Ryde. Step 1. Download the Ryde Driver app from the App Store, Google Play Store, or App Gallery. Step 2. Sign up with your mobile number. Step 3. Key in the one-time password that is sent to your mobile number. Step 4. Enter your name, email, and gender. Step 5. Enable phone notifications to receive trip requests and messages from riders. It is important to enable notifications for the best user experience. Step 6. Tap on View Profile to edit your profile. This will allow us to verify your profile. Start with personal verification. Upload the front side of your NRIC. Please ensure the photo is clear with all four corners visible. Next, upload the other side of your NRIC. Then, upload a recent photo of yourself. This will be your public profile, so please ensure your face is visible. Lastly, for personal verification, key in your date of birth, NRIC number, and home address. Step 7. We will need to verify that you have a valid driving license and vehicle. Please upload the front side of your driving license. Next, upload the other side of your driving license. Please ensure that the photo is clear with all four corners visible. Tap on Vehicle Details and fill in your vehicle make and model. Then, upload a photo of the front side of your car. Please ensure the car's license plate number is visible. Please fill in your vehicle registration number. Step 8. Tap on Private Hire Driver to upload the required documents for private hire cars. Upload your vocational license. Please ensure all details are legible. This is a sample photo of a vocational license. We accept a document photo or screenshot from LTA One Motoring website. Next, upload your PHV decal. Please ensure your license plate number is visible on the PHV decal. Your license plate number must match your commercial insurance and vehicle log. Upload your LTA vehicle log and commercial insurance. This is a sample photo of a LTA vehicle log. This is a sample photo of a commercial car insurance. Almost there. It should look like this once all your documents are uploaded. Thank you. You're all set. We will verify your account within 2 working days. How to sign up as